Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of servers. Now you might be wondering what exactly is a server. In simple terms, a server is like a powerful computer that provides services to other computers, which we call clients. Imagine it like a restaurant where the server takes your order, which is your request, prepares it and processes your request, and then delivers it back to you. There are many different types of servers, each with its own special job. So let's just explore a few here. Starting with the web server. This is probably the most common type of servers. It's like the waiter at a fancy restaurant. When you type the website address in your browser, your computer sends a request to the web server. Then the web server finds the website's files such as images, text, and videos and sends them back to your computer so you can see the website. Examples of these web servers are like Apache and Nginx. Another type of servers is a mail server. This server handles all your emails. It receives incoming emails, stores them, and delivers them to your inbox. It also helps you send email to other people. An example of this type of mail servers is Microsoft Exchange or Postfix. Another type of servers is a database server. This server stores and manages large amount of data. Think of it as a giant digital library. Businesses usually use database servers to store customer information or product detail and much more details. Examples of it such like MySQL and PostgreSQL. Another type of server is called a file server. This server acts like a central storage location for files. It allows multiple users to access and share files over a network. Imagine it like a shared drive where everyone in your office can save and exchange or have access to the same document or file. Examples of it like Windows Server or Linux file servers. So there you have it, a quick overview of some common types of servers. Remember, these are just a few examples and there are many more out there.